Love Island's Will Young is renting out his family farm cottage on Airbnb for £600 a stay. The farmer, 23, has already become one of the fan favourites in the villa, and now fans are able to stay at his home as well. While he is enjoying the South African sun, Will's family are renting out their converted barn in Aylesbury, Buckinghamshire on Airbnb for £200 a night, with a 3-day minimum stay. Guests who are staying at the dairy cottage on the £1.6 million estate are able to have local private chefs visit the cottage to cook for them during their stay. The 2-bedroom property has a huge garden as well as an open-plan kitchen and living room with a smart TV. The bedrooms are fitted out with king-sized beds and walk-in wardrobes. Guests can also expect visits from the family's dog, cat and peacock during their stay. The barn conversion is just an 8-mile drive from Tame, which is used to film ITV's Midsummer Murders, and also just a 50-minute journey from nearby Oxford. Will was popular with Love Island fans from the moment he stepped into the villa. It seems he may have found a connection with Aussie star Jessie Winter. After making her debut in the villa on Sunday night alongside Aaron, leaving the other Islanders were left speechless by the plot twist. Jessie and Will went for a private conversation to get to know each other better, where they spoke about where they grew up. Will told Jessie, "Honestly, you look really good," before the pair started talking about their lives, including the fact Jessie grew up in Tasmania. Will couldn't help himself from complimenting Jessie as he said, "You're honestly a 10/10, you're unreal." A flattered Jessie responded, "You're obviously gorgeous as well, you really are," before Will commented, "I can't stop looking at your eyes, your eye contact is so good." Will is currently coupled up with Lana Jenkins after being left single beforehand. Lana promised Will to be his wingwoman as they hatched a plan to get him coupled up with newbie Jessie.